everyone. This is the most spontaneous thing I've ever done. This is the most spontaneous vlog I've ever made. I literally just finished work and about to meet my friend, and we are about to go to the hairdressers and get a very insane hair change that literally we decided yesterday that we were going to do. So right now I'm kind of lost. I haven't said what we're getting done yet. I just said that we're doing something crazy and we're at the hairdressers. And that we made this decision like literally last night. Was it last night? Yeah. You're about to walk in, wish us luck. Stressed. Look what we did. Oh my god, we did it. We did it. I don't even own a blow dry. Me neither. She was like, you've got to blow dry it every single day. I feel like I'm just constantly going to be playing with it. Oh no, I'm so glad we did this together. I know, right? God, I literally like cannot even look at myself. Like, what the hell? Sorry for the terrible angle, but I'm actually just about to head to a workout class. I've actually just started training at PLC. They've got a new one that's opened up in Albion, and I went for my first session yesterday, and it was like a strength session, and oh my gosh, my body is so sore all over, and my abs never get sore, but they're sore, which is just like incredible. So I'm going to test out putting my hair up with this fringe. Oh, what the hell, this is so weird. Like, I'm sorry I'm looking full under the viewfinder like all the time. This is just insane. Today's like a full body cardio session, so wish me luck. I feel like my fringe is just gonna be flying everywhere, but that's okay. Exactly sure what's happening with my fringe at the moment. Well, that was such a good session. It's like full body cardio, intense, but like seriously, the people here, like the trainers, are so fun. Like, they just make every workout so much fun. It's literally so tough, but like, anyway, I'm now gonna go home, sort out this fringe because it's like sitting in my eyes. Anyway, I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna have a shower, I'm gonna eat, and then I've got to get up at 4:30 a.m. to work tomorrow. I feel like I'm getting used to it now. Like, when I see myself, I'm like, okay, like that's me. Okay, so it is now a couple of days later. I am still getting used to the whole fringe thing. I definitely like am not styling it well. Like, I feel like it's just like sitting like that. But I think I like it. Like, honestly, every single time I look at myself, I'm like, I like it, and then the next time I'm like, I don't like it. I think it's just a bit weird getting used to, but overall I think I like it. Still working it out though. Anyway, getting on to the more important part of the video. Without fail, I will have dessert every single night, and for the past 2 weeks now I've been having this every single night. This recipe is so healthy, but it honestly tastes like ice cream, and like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like so sweet and creamy, and honestly, it's just like the best thing ever. So I thought I would show you. I thought to add a little bit of something that's actually valuable into this video, I would share my go-to, literally my obsession at the moment, dessert recipe. Although, like, you don't have to have it for dessert if you don't want to. You can have it for a snack, you can have it whenever you want. But for me, it's just that perfect little sweet treat to have at night after dinner, and it just makes me feel so good, and I love it. So anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so for this recipe, what you're going to need is some coconut yogurt. I usually actually just get the Nakula one, but any one works. This one is a bit more expensive, but really any coconut yogurt works. Some frozen banana, frozen blueberries, some flaked almonds, or really just like whatever crunch you want. I've also been using like corn puffs, or I'll put it on the screen here. It's like this banana kind of like cereal. It tastes really good on this as well. You could use like granola, really doesn't matter. Then some protein. It obviously doesn't have to be the specific flavor or this brand or whatever. I've actually been using the salted caramel flavor by this brand, but today I literally, as you can see, it's not opened yet. I just went to the shops and saw this flavor and I was like, I cannot go past this. So I picked this one up, and so yeah, those are all of the ingredients you're going to need. Okay, so This is really like the simplest recipe ever, but basically you just want to do a few big tablespoons of coconut yogurt. Really just however much you want, like depending on how hungry you are. And then with your banana, you just want to chop it up into just like little slices. This is like the best part of the recipe because as they start to melt, they go all like ice creamy and it's just like the best thing ever. Then you want to add in like a handful or so of blueberries, then just like half a scoop of protein powder. Top it with some flaked almonds, and then that is literally it. I know it sounds so simple, but honestly, like this combination of like frozen banana, coconut yogurt, the protein. Okay, I just got this idea, and obviously this is completely optional, but I'm obsessed with this brand Love & Co at the moment, specifically the salted cashew caramel cookies. I also just love how they come, like how cute is that? I'm also going to break up one of those on it. This is just kind of going to be like a substitute for my corn puffs or my banana cereal. How good does that look? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to eat this. Literally, it is that simple. Like, it's honestly like basically not even a recipe, it's that simple. Guess what time it is? The Goodness Me box taste test. So I feel like I always do this, but I actually opened the box last night and have used one product so far. So I thought I'd just start with that, and that is this, what's it called? Botanica Brekkie, little like protein oats kind of thing in the flavor Vanilla Dream. And oh my gosh, it was so good. I actually just added like probably half a serving in with my normal oats, and it was so good. I've been seeing this brand of protein actually around. I've been wanting to try it for quite a while, but just like never have. So I'm definitely going to be trying this brand of protein now. So massive fan of this, and I'm definitely going to be trying this brand of protein powder. Honestly, I love this so much. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can really see in the camera, but this is the Naked Harvest pre-workout, and I actually at the Georgie Stevenson event last weekend tried this, and I tried the berry one as well, and I actually used it before my workout the other day, and oh my gosh, like who would have thought it actually worked. I actually just started training at a new gym, and it's like classes kind of thing. I'll definitely take you along and like vlog it sometime, but I used a pre-workout before my first class, and I definitely actually noticed a difference because I don't actually ever have pre-workout. Obviously a lot of them are filled with like so much bad ingredients, but this one is actually filled with like clean ingredients, natural sources of caffeine. So yeah, very excited about that. The next thing makes me very happy. So this brand, Gutsy, I absolutely love. I've tried in a previous Goodness Me box, please focus, the raspberry one, but this one, look at this. This one has like chunks in it and it's mint flavored. Oh, okay, so there's rice, oh my gosh, please focus. There's rice crisps in here, which is the crunch, and then it's like mint flavors. Honestly so good, and when you want that, like, I feel like this is a really good like after dinner treat. Vegan, no sugar added, low carb, and nothing artificial, and keto friendly. So like, what more could you want out of a chocolate, really? Next we have a couple of teas. So we've got the Blackcurrant Beauty and Womankind, which tried both of these before actually, and I've run out of both of them. They both smell really good through the packet as well. Next, I'm really sorry, I should have kept this to try, but I might have already eaten it. It's called Apple Cinnamon Beauty Bites Snack Your Way to Glowing Skin. That's the packet. It was actually so good, and I've never actually seen this brand before, so I'm gonna try and like maybe go online or like go into a few health food stores and hopefully I can find it. Next is something I'm so excited to try because my skin's kind of just been like freaking out the past 2 days because, well, it's that time of the month, and I think like I haven't been washing my makeup brushes because I get really bad with that. And this is by the brand Skin Food New Zealand, and it is a mud mask. So that is it. Anyone who knows me knows that I love a good face mask, so I'm very excited to try this. Next we've got some Nespresso like coffee thingies. I don't drink coffee, so I feel like I'm not a good advocate for this. However, I will definitely be taking this into the new apartment. I'm sure Sam will do a good little review for you. Next is actually something that was at the event on Sunday as well. I'm so excited because I finished mine already, and it is the cultured coconut cider in the strawberry lemon flavor. These are so good. Literally taste like a fizzy soft drink, but it's like good for your gut. That is my Goodness Me box unboxing for the month. I honestly love these. Like, I say this every single month, but the fact that you can get a delivery to your door of health food is just like, it's just like my actual dream. Well, actually, I also forgot. I was just looking at like what is in the box. I also got a coconut milk in this month's box. However, I used that for my breakfast as well this morning and it was really good. It's the brand Australian Own and I really like that brand, so I knew I was gonna love that. So yeah, if you would like to try out the box, I do actually have a discount code, which is, I'm pretty sure it's Sophie10. I'll put on the screen, also link it in the description bar, and you can get a discount on all of this fun stuff. Like honestly, can't stress enough how much I love this. Okay, well I think that is where I'm going to leave today's video. Really hope you enjoyed, and I hope you enjoyed coming along and seeing the whole process of this fringe, even though I'm not really sure what's happening with it. Also definitely let me know if you try out that dessert, because literally, oh my gosh, it's so good. So yeah, I really hope you have enjoyed this video again, and I will see you in my next one.